plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Amy's Art House. Today I am doing a Pokemon that I've been meaning to make for a while now. I am making a simple Cacturne. I hope that everybody is doing well. I hope that you are finding some fun crafts to do while you are at home. And yeah, it's good to be here. I sent a picture of this finished product to one of my friends, and I was in a pretty bad mood when I did, and she was like, oh, well, I'm pretty prickly too. So yeah, I guess Cacturne is suitable, but I do have some fun stuff coming for you guys. I actually went through all of my videos and calculated out which generations of Pokemon have been the most popular, so I'm hoping to kind of produce content that people want to see without like sacrificing my own artistic vision. I don't know. I tend to just make what I want to make, but I thought it would be good to have some guidance on which generations are most popular. So if you have a generation that's your absolute favorite, please let me know down in the comments, because obviously like the data that I used was not perfect. I think I've made almost 30 Pokemon from generation 1 and only like 4 for some of the other generations. So if you have any input on that, please let me know. I would really appreciate it. So this week I actually restocked some papers. I went to the Joann's craft store and they had some artisan papers on sale, and they were huge. They were like canvas size poster board, and I got 5 sheets of it for like $12. It was awesome. So I think they're having like a start of year sale, but they also might be filing for bankruptcy. Heads up everybody. So keep an eye out on your local Joann's craft stores, because they might not be here forever. So take advantage of whatever sales you can get while you can, I guess. I hope they don't go under. I mean, Joann's has been one of my favorite stores since I was like a little kid, so fingers crossed that they pull through. Luckily, I think Michael's craft store is still doing okay, so there will still be local places for me to get my supplies, but yeah. Trying to think what Pokemon I have coming after this. I made a shiny Jumpluff that will be coming soon, as well as something from the Galar region. Let me look. I forgot the name. Oh, the one the penguin with the ice cube head. Excuse? Those videos are coming up soon, so please subscribe if you would like to see those. I am starting to think about my plans for Chinese New Year art as well as Valentine's Day, so that'll be really fun. I don't think there's any other super major holidays I'd do for January, so I think I have a little bit of a break before I have to get those ready. So overall, this craft took me about 20-30 minutes. It's not perfect, but I'm pretty happy with it. I am using these hole punches and oval punches to kind of get his mouth done. I just have to cut them down a little bit to size. Oh, I don't know if anyone else has noticed this, but I said I was going to possibly buy some Pokemon cards after Christmas, and I swear all of the cheap packs are sold out everywhere. It's like anyone that got money for Christmas or the New Year has already spent it on Pokemon cards. It is a struggle to find like the $12 to $20 packs. I don't know. I really like the 3-pack blister packs, so I'm hoping that I can find some of those soon. But yeah, really popular right now. It's crazy. So for the background paper, I have this super cute cactus paper. I also have some cactus washi tape that I keep ripping here, but I am trying my best, I promise. And I think I used 3 different washi tapes in all plant themed, except for the last one, which you will see pretty soon. I know I've mentioned it before, but grass types are my absolute favorite. Oh, I should run data on which types are everyone's favorites as well. That would be interesting. I love data crunching. It's like my favorite thing. I don't know if it's like from my education background or if I'm just weird, but nothing is more soothing to me than getting a calculator out or an Excel sheet and figuring out some data. Like, I'm always budgeting, and now YouTube is my second outlet for calculating useful data. This Scotch tape is really pretty. It is a like glittery type. It had such a strange texture. It's not like a washi tape. It's almost rubbery. It didn't stick as well though, so I still recommend Scotch tape, but maybe not this one. Here is the final product of Cacturne. He is super pretty. He's shiny. The washi tape is shiny. I absolutely love him. Let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions for Generations type Pokemon, please let me know in the comments, and I will see you all again soon.